Hey guys, today we're gonna flush all of my toilets. And the reason why I'm doing this video, because I'm gonna get rid of few after this. Just taking a quick look at my toilets real quick. And then we'll do some flushing. (2001) Kohler Highline Ingenium. (2015) Kohler Cimarron Class 6. (1991) Kohler Wellworth WaterGuard. (1985) American Standard Plebe. (2020) American Standard Madera. Since I don't have a flushometer set up, I'm gonna bucket flush it. There you have it. It's siphoned too, which is pretty cool. 2003 Kohler Wellworth Ingenium. (1986) Kohler Wellworth WaterGuard. (1996) Kohler Wellworth Lite. (2005) Kohler Leighton Ingenium. (2015) Kohler Highline Class 5. (1958) Standard Cadet. (1968) Norris San Antonio. Well, when I was switching toilets, that took a couple hours, and that's time consuming because I can only do 2 toilets at a time. Well, hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.